Guys, welcome to another video. I'm going to be doing some Israeli couscous. I was going to be making a couscous salad, and this one is coming straight from my garden, guys. Other than the lemons and the cucumber and the peppers, and I do have peppers in my garden, but everything else is straight from my garden. The tomato is, scallions, oregano, parsley, and basil, all from my garden. So straight from my garden, washed and ready to go. All right, so I'm going to go ahead, cut these stuff up, prep everything. I'm gonna start by cooking my couscous, and we're gonna cook this just as the box said, as the instruction said. And yeah, so let's get into it. We have our boiling water. We have our couscous. Gonna go ahead and pour it in. That's it. We're not gonna add anything to this, guys. All we're gonna do is just give this a quick rotate. We're not going to add anything, no oil, no salt, no pepper, nothing. We're just going to boil this. All right, and you just need this to boil for like 10 to 12 minutes. All right, so I'm going to come back when it's finished, and we're going to make our couscous salad. All right, guys, so we're going to start by cutting our peppers. I'm going to remove that. And we're using the mini bell peppers. All right, I'm just gonna cut these in probably 3. That's how you want them. You want them like fine. Tomato. You're gonna go ahead and get a piece out of it. I'm just gonna cut them. This is a nice tomato, guys. As I said, grown right in my garden. I'm gonna cut this in small cubes. I'm gonna go ahead and do our cucumbers. I'm just gonna do half of this. For the same thing, if you have a dicer, you could use a dicer, but I like using my knife. I cut them like that, then like that, and I'm gonna go down once, so I get that small. What I got so far, guys. I got my yellow peppers in there, red pepper, tomato, orange pepper, and some cucumbers. I didn't cut my herbs up yet. My herbs are still right here. I'm gonna do my herbs right now. All right, guys, so now with the basil, I'm just gonna do a rough chop. Chef I know I'd like. All right. That's for the basil. We're going to put this to the side. We're going to get our parsley. And parsley, we could just leaf our parsley. Get them off by the leaf. A little bit of rough chop. And they'll be good. All right, that's our parsley. Just gonna go ahead and fold this together. I'm just gonna make some rough chops. All right, nothing too neat. Also leave that to the side with our basil. All right, so leave all our herbs together. Now we're gonna get our green onion now and just cut them in small circles. Again, guys, all the herbs are straight fresh from my garden. I get it this morning and reap some herbs. We're gonna make our herbs together. And I'm not a big fan of green onions, so I'm not putting a lot in this one because this is actually going to be my dinner. So all the herbs together. And then last but not least, I'm going to get some oregano in there. I'm not going to do a lot of this. We're going to leave these whole. I'm not going to cut these. The leaves. Smells so good. Alright guys, so to start making my salad, I'm gonna start with some olive oil. Alright. A little bit of salt. I remember I didn't add any salt to the couscous, so I'll skimp on your salt here. Some black pepper. And I'm using the coarse black pepper. Juice from 2 lemons, from 1 lemon. Whoops. Of course that would happen. Then I get a seed in there. All right. Sorry about that. Then I get a whisk. Just gonna whisk this so I get a consistent white, creamy texture. All right. That's what you're looking for. If you want more, you could go ahead and add more, but that's good. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and add our veggies, more peppers. Remember all that good stuff that we had mixed up? Oh yeah. Just gonna fold it in. And this stuff is all gonna be raw, guys. We're not gonna cook any of these stuff. This stuff all gonna be eaten raw in this salad. Just like this. All right. Now our couscous is ready. Our couscous, now we're just going to go ahead and cool our couscous down. Once it's cool, room temperature or cold, we add it to this. So we have our couscous cooling, cold water, running, cooling our couscous down. Once that's ready, we're going to go ahead and add it to our salad. All right, guys. So now that your couscous is cool, we're going to go ahead now and add to your salad. Then you're just going to go ahead and get a thing and just mix it in. All right. And you could add some paprika to this or some other seasoning. I'm not going to add any, but that would be paprika would be a good mix. All right. Now we're going to go and add all our fresh herbs, just like that. And mix those in. This is going to be a nice couscous salad, guys. And that's it. And if you're looking to change up your diet, you know, this is a good option. So I'm going to go ahead and make a plate. All right. And you're going to go ahead and start with a nice spoon. This is Israeli couscous. It's nice, healthy, and rich salad. And that's it, guys. Nothing crazy, nothing fancy. Most of these stuff came straight from my garden. Nice Israeli couscous salad. That's my dinner for today, guys. Thank you guys for watching. As always, guys, hit that subscribe button and thanks for the love and support.